Ready again. No, so his ear so nice. We are Friday's DJ Guardian sound. Make it ready. No, they mix it too much. Make it ready. Make it ready.
Yeah, me now see your pretty face when you lie wind down. See your pretty face when you lie wind down. See your pretty face when you see your pretty face. See your pretty face when you lie wind down.
So hi everybody, hi. Today I'm gonna have a DIY today, but it's gonna be a different kind of DIY. Today I am gonna be making hot Trini pepper sauce. All right, it's gonna make you sing ole 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 ole. I'm feeling hot. Thank you guys for tuning in today. You guys are awesome. Now let's jump right into it. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go. The ingredients you're going to be needing is, guys, you're going to be needing some scallion or chive. You're going to be needing some celery. You're going to be needing some onion, a half of an onion, some thyme, some sweet pepper, a half of a sweet pepper, and some lime to give it a tangy taste. You need a little tablespoon to dip out your salt. You're going to need like 15 cloves of garlic or more. All right, and these are all have been washed already. Okay, to be prepared. You're going to need your jars already washed. We're going to need some vinegar for preservation, and I said salt already. And you're going to need 30 Scotch bonnet peppers. Look at these beauties, guys. So these are Jamaican peppers, and in Trinidad we also have a different kind of pepper. Yeah, we also have one similar like this too, but I heard that the Jamaican pepper is the hottest in the Caribbean, so I'll be using the Jamaican pepper today. This is going to be really atomic, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I am actually going to just cut up the scallion or chive, as you guys say. I'm going to do old time cut them up really small. And I have the celery in here too. Everything I'm going to cut them up really small. So I hope you guys are doing well today. And this seasoning is a Trini staple, man. Trinis, we use this seasoning in like this hot sauce and like everything. I mean the rotis, the curries, the gravy, everything. You know, so I'm just cutting up these really small. Now onto the celery. One of the celery stalks. And let me know in the comments below if you all ever made your own pepper sauce before. Have you all ever tried Caribbean pepper sauce, whether it be Trinidad, Jamaica, any of the Caribbean? Let me know in the comments down below. So I'm cutting up the more of the celery and the thyme. Cutting up the onions now. So I'm cutting up the sweet pepper now. Bought all of these by the market, the grocery store. Trying to cut them up as small as possible. And you have to have your half a lime to give it a nice tangy flavor. I love my pepper sauce. I mean, everywhere in the Caribbean. I mean, I was born in Trinidad, but everybody have their different way of doing their pepper sauce. So I'm just doing it my way. Okay, guys, my way. So the first thing we're going to start with is some vinegar. I'm pouring some vinegar inside of there, and this vinegar is good for the preservation of the pepper sauce. Okay, some people, they leave it in the pepper sauce. You know, they leave it out of the fridge, or they leave it in. I like to leave it in the fridge, but you can leave some out too, just a little bit. You could have your own separate little jar, and you can put a little bit on the outside if you want the pepper sauce to be nice and warm, ready to put on your favorite dishes. Yeah, some like it hot, some like it cold, right? So here we go. And also, what I'm going to do is put some of the garlic in here, but I'm going to leave some in here, so when I have to do the rest, I'll have some more to do the rest of it. So I don't want to pack up this blender too much. So here we go. We have the vinegar in there. Now I'm going to add 2 spoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay, and this is, I use sea salt. Okay, so now it's time to rumble. Rumbling time now, ready to go now. Let's go. I'm going to add the rest to the mix. I'm going to add the rest of peppers and the green seasoning and everything else to the mix. So this is, woo, I can smell the wonderful smell of it. Now I'm going to squeeze some lime in there. It smells so good. Squeezing the lime in there for a tangy, give it a nice tangy taste. The lime also aids in the preservation of the pepper to keep it nice and fresh for a really, really long time. See, my OCD is kicking up again, trying to wipe every mess I make. I got it from my mama. That way, my mom had the same way in her. Every little mess she sees, she used to have to clean it one time. Oh my God. Yeah, so I'm putting all the lemon in there, all the lemon juice. I'm gonna make sure I have get all the lemon squeezed in there. Lime, actually. Lime. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some of the seasoning and seal the deal. Seal the deal. We'll blend it up now. Still blending it up. And this is the end of your atomic pepper sauce, guys. It is. Look at the flavor, look at the color, look how beautiful it looks. It looks so beautiful, gorgeous. Trini pepper sauce, Caribbean pepper sauce. It's atomic, guys. It's, ooh, the smell is captivating. So I'm just gonna pour some in the little jar already washed. Gonna take time with it because, ooh, I don't want it to spill. So I am done, guys. I got one, almost a full bottle, and I got some of another jar. So it is hot, it is spicy. Let me show you the inside of it. Look at it, look at the color. Look at the consistency, it's so awesome and hot. So if you like hot, guys, if you don't want yours to be too hot, just add less pepper, and yeah, it's gonna be good. So thank you guys for tuning in today. You guys are awesome. Please try this recipe and leave in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below if you love it. How did it work out for you? Yes, it is good. Talk to you soon, guys. Much love and stay safe. All the best. Bye.